What's up YouTube, Vik-Werks checking in another video for the Mark V R32. So today we have a Central Electronics Control Module, CECM. So this is a Highline model from a CC. I have obviously a PCB board, which is made by this good gentleman named Dani up in Germany. He goes by PQ35, and his main thing is, you know, do we need to upgrade to BCM, which is the Mark 6, body control module, as they call it for the acronym, or anything higher? And his solution is to solve that. So what does this module do? Well, he's got a fantastic Dropbox. If you're interested in purchasing this, I'll be linking it on descriptions, and we'll go from there. But what he does is pretty much if you wanted high beam assist, lane assist, fuel flap open, I mean, the sky's the limit. It's very, it brings the old Mark V chassis back to life to a more modern standard. And so today what I'm doing here is just basically giving you a quick install video on how to get this bad boy going. So, I'm just getting the soldering machine going, and, it's beautiful that I don't have to use wire crimpers or anything whatsoever. He already comes pre-set up to pretty much be for success. The only thing you have to do is, use plastic removal tool. Just careful removing these, and going from there. Once you remove this cap, you're gonna drill a hole and go from there. Come on. So I guess the biggest challenge here is trying not to break tabs while you're doing this, and also taking it to the next level of bringing your car to have, a 3D special functions is what it'll create on VCDS, ODIS, VCP, or OBD11, and you'll have to talk to Dani for a little help with the coding regarding what you purchase, because there's so many parameters in this bad boy that literally, like I said, sky's the limit. So when you're looking at this board here, it's a very easy installation. It's not really hard. It's not complex or anything whatsoever. You got your main power and ground, and then you have obviously your CAN bus ordeals that are going to basically go from here. So basically, if I use my solder material here to point out these bad boys, so what we're looking for is basically this pin, this pin, this pin, and that pin right here. So basically, your red will go here on this bad boy. Your black would go here, and then your yellow goes here, and your white goes to this top one up here. If you've never soldered, basically take it to somebody who can figure it out. I'm not an expert, but I figured one thing I learned when I was in the service is you adapt and overcome, and that's really what it comes down to. So I guess with that being said, I guess I'll start drilling my hole and try not to F things up. So you want to go slow. This is like a fiberglass material. Come on, there she is, just getting it started. Just kind of hard to do when I'm trying to make sure I captivate everything. Remember, I'm not sponsored or endorsed by these tools, or even Dani himself. He's just a good mate, good person overall, who tries to find a solution to everything. That's why I have a lot of respect for him and what he does for the Volkswagen community. Don't worry, I'll be vacuuming. Well, we're getting somewhere. Just take it nice and slow. You don't want to F up anything. getting stuff going. Just take it slow. And there she is. See, barely nicked the chip, but enough to not cause damage, which is good. So that's why you want to take it slow. All right, with that being said, let's run these wires. All right, well, let's get some soldering going. Let's move that out of the way. All right. And so, perfect. Let's get this one going. Come on, get in there. Got a fighter. Need more solder on that one. Obviously that one's giving me trouble. Come on. Looks like my iron's having deficiencies here. Or it's cheap solder. That's probably what it is, cheap solder. Come on, stay. What is wrong with you? I got some of it. The last wire, let's clean that up a little bit because obviously that was just gunk. All right. And voila, wires seem good. Good connection, and that's it. That's pretty much it, guys, on that bad boy. And then pretty much you just clean your soldering iron and get it ready for the next one. And that's it for that. You pull the wires, and there she is, all nice and tidied up, ready to rock and roll. Now, if you guys are interested in this one, I will post it on eBay, ready for a CC. Can work for other vehicles, just, you know, just don't know if the coating will support or if you get errors. That's just my 2 cents. I just know it's a Highline. So, and then I'll show you guys on VCDS what it does, and pretty much do some video to work and go from there. Anyways, if you like what you see, subscribe, hit that like button, contact Dani, let him know what's up, that you want to bring your car back to life. As I mentioned before, it does high beam assist, HBA, FLA, as they call it as well as support other ordeals with regards to the situation. Like I said, this the reason this sits here is just future updated, whatever, you know, so you can actually remove it and bring it inside and do what you got to do, and with what you want to purchase after the fact. You know, if you purchase it directly from Dani, it'll be already pretty much set up for success, and, you know, set up for the software updates, specifically if you have Otis and VCP, to be able to actually flash the module in order to support those parameters. And we'll go from there. Anyways, thanks for everything. Talk to you guys then.